In ancient China, powerful siege engines were built to help armies break through enemy walls. One of the most impressive was the wooden ox. This unique device worked like a giant catapult to launch heavy stones at fortresses. Another incredible invention was the multiple-tube rocket launcher, which used a series of rockets to rain down fire, causing chaos among enemy ranks. These tools were not just for attacks. They showed clever engineering and teamwork. The ingenious designs of these ancient engines helped shape military tactics worldwide, leaving a lasting impact on how battles were fought.